Good afternoon, all the students and to the guest for the day, Avinash Mishra. Let me take this opportunity to welcome him on behalf of SB Patil Institute of Management. He is an alumni of an SBR Patil Institute of Management from 2010-12 batch. He has completed his MBA in HR specialization. He has a 8+ years experience in HR domain. He started his journey with H Capital Consulting Private Limited as an HR executive. Then he had shifted his expertise to the Novartis Oncology in the year 2014 till 2016. Further, he has now working at Advant Med India LLP HRBP since last 2 years, 2.5 years. So I request Avinash to take charge of this online session where I request you to guide students and give your expertise on the various things related to the HR and how to face the job interviews. Over to you, Avinash.
Thank you so much for the introduction, sir. Guys, I believe you all can hear me properly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are able to.
Okay,
Avinash, sir, your
okay,
voice is
so that's
little
great.
low.
Okay, Avinash, I'll intervene
Okay,
in between. I'll intervene in between. Others who have joined from mobile phone request to have an earphones or you can keep it on a speaker if you have joined from mobile. That's why voice could be a bit lower. Could be a chance. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yes, Avinash, please go ahead.
okay, okay, guys. So I believe now everybody can hear me, right? Now the voice is proper, right?
Yes, now voice is proper. You can turn off your camera, Avinash, so that will allow to have a better bandwidth. No problem.
Oh, then it's great. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for the introduction, Anisa. And like it's been almost 8 years, and like even after 8 years, I still feel talking more of a like a student while talking to you and Kajal ma'am and Kirti ma'am and all. So I still remember that after like when we were there for 2 years in the college, during the last 6 months, it was more of a like that. Yes, what is going to happen after this one? Because I was kind of a very I mean average what you can say student before SBPIM, and I was not sure that what I will do in my future and all that. So I think this is the situation of most of the sorry, most of the students. So I can relate to what I can relate to the mindset what most of the students think that how their life is going to be, how their career is going to be. So first of all, thank you for the opportunity that I can share my what you can say views, or I can help, I can have what can at least a good mindset to go ahead with their career. So, team, like everybody, I am basically here to tell you more about that how to prepare on the interview and what are the common questions which usually people ask about. Okay, so being into HR professionals, I think like for last 5 years, I am continuously busy with doing the interviews and all that. So uh, my experience says for HR interview, I'm personally telling you about the HR interview. Aptitude and other technical interviews is more of a like depends on the kind of questions, the technical questions. But when it comes to personal interview or HR interview, my experience says that it is completely into one's hand, and that is the candidate. It is never into HR's hand. Okay, how interview is going to be, it is never into HR's hand, because HR never plans that what all questions they are going to ask you. It is completely depends on your answer, basis which the next question comes in. Yes, in case if the candidate is not giving a proper answer, okay, suppose if I mean the common questions which usually ask like HR ask is about, it starts with tell us about yourself. Why usually this is the first question. We ask this question the very first I mean first like this is usually the first question because we want to get to know how's the confidence, whether he's able to speak about himself or herself. Because if he's confident to speak about himself or herself, it becomes very, very, I mean, from the very first question, we get to know that, okay, how long this interview is going to happen. So this is more of a, like, if you're playing cricket, you are getting like six questions or six balls, you have to hit six on the very first question. This is the expectation considering the competition in the market. So you have to be very confident whenever you are going for the interview. Okay, there are two three facts. Like I told you, first, HR never prepares for what questions they are going to ask you, so it completely depends on you, that how you answer and basis that interview goes on. That is the first fact. Second is, preparation is really very important. I have seen people, those who come up, like the people who have energy up to, you can say, up 30%, but they, with preparation, they can perform up to 70 to 80% easily with preparation. Why so? Because when you prepare for something, you automatically get in sync with the track which is required. You get to know that, okay, what is required, what skill set is required. You kind of talk in align with that. So preparation is really very important. Never go for an interview without preparation. At least, and at least, okay, let me also tell you that what are the basic requirements or basic information which a candidate should come up before, come up with before getting interviewed, especially with a personal HR interview. The very first one is, the candidate should have good information about why he is hiring, why we are hiring. Okay, that for what position we are hiring, what skill set we need, and like what is the common job profile going to be for that particular person. Because if a person is not aware that what he's supposed to do, his willingness is not, like, we can judge out this easily, that okay, his willingness is not there. So your willingness will be shown just basis how much information do you have, considering the job profile for which we are interviewing you. So this is the second fact, that preparation is really important, and you have to be aware about that why you guys are going to be interviewed. Okay, there's one very interesting question which usually, during when I kind of counsel few other of my students, what they say is that, is it really matters to go with well all dressed up and all that? Like, I believe many of you might have seen the movie Pursuit of Happiness and all that. So over there, it was a situation that a guy went for an interview with all some rugged clothes and all. He was not well dressed and all that, but he cracked the interview and he got the job. So the fact is, your basic priority is not your dressed up, your attire. The basic priority is your mindset, your willingness. That is the basic priority. But yes, indeed, dressed up with like a good attire gives like add value to you, to yourself. Okay, it's more of a like that you like with all preparation, with all mindset and everything, you reach up to 70 to 80%. But if you're well dressed and if you're kind of in sync with the organization, okay, that if it is a corporate culture, okay, if it's a corporate, it's a big office kind of thing, if you're in sync with it, there are more chances. So your energy reaches from 70 to 80 or 85%. And considering human tendency, it is always kind of acceptance आ जाता है वो, है ना? आप कहीं इंटरव्यू के लिए अगर जा रहे हो, and if we see somebody well dressed up, it kind of we kind of get accept to that person. Okay, yeah, he is good. So acceptance. So usually this question is answered like that only. Yes, it's not it's not very important. I mean, it's not mandatory, but yes, it is uh, a kind of important if, like, considering the job profile. If you're going for a manager profile, like if somebody experienced person is going for a manager role or so, it shows that yes, okay, the person is disciplined. Okay, the kind of attire you're wearing, it also shows discipline, how disciplined you are. So that is also like a common question which usually people ask. Okay, uh, after this, what I can, like, I have not prepared any presentation or something basis which I can take you through, but yes, I do have some common questions which usually people ask or HR personnel ask, and how you are supposed to answer them. So I can give you some tips over it. So the very first question goes with tell about yourself. So the best way to answer over it is don't narrate everything which is mentioned in your CV. Okay, and don't make it too lengthy like a paragraph or something. So focus more into your, I mean, start with your introduction a little bit, and then start focusing more into your achievements, your learning. Focus more towards it. Okay. So this is, if you keep on talking about, okay, your family background, this and that, you did this, you did that, that is not going to align, I mean, with your job profile. So your basic agenda is, for any question, you have to align your answer towards the job profile. Okay. So if it is regarding the management trainee, or for HR profile, or if it is for the accounts profile, finance profile, for marketing profile, you have to show your interest, your achievement towards that profile. So from the very first question, you can direct your interview towards a direction that, yes, this is a suitable candidate. Okay. But still, if somebody missed that ball, कि ठीक है इसका आंसर अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, then still there are chances to score in the next few balls. So the next simple questions are like, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Okay. So these many people think that these are very tricky questions, but as far as being into HR profile, I believe these are not that tricky. I mean, you can simply answer the questions like, when it comes to strengths, simply say about the things which this particular job profile needs and you have. This is kind of impossible that you're going for an interview and वहाँ पर जो skill set चाहिए उसमें से आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता हो. For any job, at least 3 or 4 skill sets are required. तो आप उसमें से जिस चीज पे भी excel है, like suppose if it is a marketing profile, so we should have a good communication skill, we should have good negotiation kind of skill, we should have that people management वाला चीज भी एक थोड़ा आना चाहिए. So there are many skill sets. So this is 100% sure that if a person is doing MBA, इसमें से कोई ना कोई skill set में वो excel जरूर रहता है. And guys, be confident about yourself, because when you say about your strengths and you are not showing confidence, फिर वो कैसा लगेगा, ऐसा लगेगा that it is more of a like bookish. आप theory बता रहे हो, पढ़ के बता रहे हो. And throughout interview ये नहीं feel होना चाहिए HR को. और ये तभी होगा जब आप उसे रट के नहीं बोलेंगे, when you say it by yourself. So the more, so how it happen is, ये एक दिन से नहीं हो जाता कि कल इंटरव्यू है, आपने आज प्रिपेयर किया और आज सारा हो जाएगा. इट्स अ ऑनगोइंग एक्टिविटी. आपका इंटरव्यू आप हर रोज प्रिपेयर करो उसके लिए. 2 इंटरव्यू अगर कल नहीं है तो जस्ट फोकस ऑन 1 क्वेश्चन 1 डे. लाइक अगर मुझे पूछा टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, so everybody can think about from today onwards कि what would be my best answer. मैं अपना बेस्ट आंसर क्या बोल सकता हूँ. And moreover, when you come up with your best answer, you can like tell your teachers, professors, sir, if I give this answer, what do you think? How much would you rate myself? So it's more about that continuous effort and all. So the more you focus on these things, you can easily crack the interview. HR interview is completely about your mindset. It's not about technical, आपको क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता. It's more about your willingness and your mindset. अगर वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सिंक में उनके कोर वैल्यू से मैच करता है, then it is very easy to crack the interview. The rest everything is like technical and all that. तो अगर वो आपको knowledge है, आप automatically crack up कर लोगे. So strengths and weakness is also something like strength में आपने बोला that yeah, I believe that I'm good with the communication, or I believe that I can like have a good people management skill. So like I told you कि आप खुद ही अपना इंटरव्यू डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो कि किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. So अगर मैंने ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिया that I'm good with people management, so the very simple question, next question is going to be, how do you say that you are a good Can you give me some example? So this is what you guys have to plan. That basis these simple question आपको आंसर ही ऐसे प्रिपेयर करना है कि आपसे वो क्वेश्चन पूछें. सो आपको अपना इंटरव्यू ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना, ऐसे प्लान करना, लाइक दिस इज अ रोड. ओके, कौन से बीच में सिंपल क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं? स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अबाउट योरसेल्फ, हॉबीज, व्हाई शुड आई हायर यू, व्हाट्स योर सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस बीच में आएंगे, हर्डल्स आएंगे, बट आप कैसे टर्न लेना है और फिर नेक्स्ट में कौन सा टर्न आना है वो आप पे डिपेंड है. तो अगर आपने आंसर दिया दैट पीपल मैनेजमेंट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई लाइक, they will definitely ask you, okay, give me example that why you believe that you're good with people management thing. And then next is be ready with that answer. That okay, the first thing is like when somebody is fresher, the interview setup is completely different. When somebody is experienced, the interview setup is completely different, because when somebody is experienced, they do have some backup जिसका वो support लेके answer दे सकते हैं. But when somebody is fresher, it's completely your personality, your attitude, and like I said, mindset, willingness. It's completely you. तो आपको किसी का support नहीं मिलेगा. So it's completely you. So that is why entering into that zone is very important. So have confidence that yes, you can give the answer. वो confidence कैसे आएगा? Preparation से आएगा. इंटरव्यू के एक दिन पहले सिर्फ कुछ चीज रट लेने से बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. So strengths, weakness, like okay, next is like what are your hobbies and all that. So similar to that, you have not to say anything like which puts a bad impression. Okay, like I like almost every week I go for movies, almost I like watching movies and all. So do not give something that gives a bad impression. Job profile is like that. Suppose there's a job profile, okay, and for that job what is expected is that you guys have to work a lot. तो अगर उसमें आप ये शो कर दोगे कि हाँ मैं बहुत ज्यादा, मुझे घूमना फिरना बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, वो डेविएट कर देगा आंसर. सो यू गाइस हैव टू बी रेडी विथ कि अगर आप एक मैनेजमेंट प्रोफाइल पे जा रहे हो जहाँ पर आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि आप शायद कंटिन्यूसली फोकस रहोगे, सो गिव योर हॉबीज मोर ऑफ like reading books. And yeah, there's one more thing. I am not saying to make fake hobbies. जो आप नहीं करते वो आपको नहीं बोलना है. हॉबीज आप प्लीज गूगल से करोगे, आपको वो हॉबीज भी पता चल जाएंगी जो आपको खुद नहीं पता कि आपको अच्छी लगती हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, आप लिस्ट निकालोगे, यू कैन से अच्छा हाँ मुझे ये भी अच्छा, आई कैन से दिस ऑल्सो. So like I told you, it's all about preparation. हर एक क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करो that what the best answer you can give. So hobbies is a very good point where you can easily track down track up your interview कि मुझे ये चीज पसंद है. Next question is why should I hire you? You can see अगर आप कभी like by end of the session, if it is possible, I will send the top 10 questions which I usually ask candidates during my interview. So I can share the list. So usually I ask this question that why we should hire you. This particular question states more about how mature the employee is, or the candidate is, how mature he is. Because इस चीज का आंसर डिफाइन करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है, बिकॉज इसमें कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ साथ आपका नॉलेज भी इंक्लूड होता है, प्लस आपका वो टीम स्पिरिट, वो टीम वाला चीज भी इसमें थोड़ा सा इंक्लूड रहता है. यू कैन नॉट give a good answer of this question until and unless you have prepared for it, that why we should hire you. इसमें कोई भी random answer नहीं दे सकते. You should have to have prepared for it. So why should I hire you? You should always go with your skill sets, which is required for this particular job. Okay, and moreover, I mean, you have to come up with what like some information about the company also, that we can go ahead like this. Suppose if somebody will ask me that why should I hire you, how I would answer it like, okay, so I heard about this organization. Okay, suppose if I'm working in Advantmed, I will answer for that. So I heard about Advantmed organization and I've kind of gone through the website as well. So I got to know that organization is more into this one, and I got to know that yes, this organization into this one. So I like when I was going through my skill set, I got to know that yes, I am good with this, and I believe this job profile is something which is kind of very much in sync with mine. mindset of skill sets and all. So, and I truly believe that if skill sets are matching, then it's always better to go for something where I'm good at. And this is the place, and these are the skill sets which required for this job is which I'm good at. So if I will perform or if I will apply for this job, if I will come up for this job, I'm sure that there are more chances for me to for growth. Okay, so even if your sentences, your phrases, or your grammar is something is not correct, it matters, but not up to a level. So this also gives an impression that yes, what exactly your mindset is all about. Okay. The next one would be very, very, very simple and very, very questions which you which important question which you will find in throughout your career. With like people ask that, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Usually 3. I do not ask for 5 years. I usually ask for like after 1 to 3 years. Where do you see yourself? What do you want to be and all that? So always have a prepared answer for this also. That where do you want? So many people, because they do not prepare, so they simply say, okay, I want to be a manager, I want to be this, I want to be that, like very, very vague. So the better planning you have, the better answer you give. Okay, so never give an impression that you want this job to gain experience and then you wish for something bigger in future. तो उसमें ये सिंक नहीं आएगा कि आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ कितना कनेक्टेड है. Okay, so keep your answer aligned with the current job role. Whatever is your job role, जब भी आप इंटरव्यू पे जाओगे आपके सारे आंसर्स आपके सारे आंसर्स करंट जॉब रोल से अलाइंड होने चाहिए, which shows your interest in the company. आप जितने ज्यादा aligned आंसर दोगे, that will give you more and more points into the interview. Okay, and the last one would be, which usually everybody kind of asks, even in the technical, even like what's your salary expectation. So there are people, if you have done good market research, because freshers, sorry guys, I'm getting few calls, so that might be मेरा call disconnect हो रहा है, but I'll disconnect all other calls and I'll be here, don't worry. So what I was telling about that, what's a salary expectation question. So never ask for either less to, इतना भी ज्यादा वो बनने की जरूरत नहीं कि ठीक है जितना मिलेगा चल जाएगा, whatever you guys give I'm fine. Never too high. Okay, so never too less, never too high. आप ये जज कैसे करोगे? It usually happens. Usually पहले ये पता चल जाता है इंटरव्यू जाने से पहले कि आपको क्या सैलरी ब्रैकेट वो दे रहे हैं. Always ask from your interviewer, I mean the one who has called you for the interview, that what's the salary bracket. Always try to ask, because आप इंटरव्यू में जाके उनसे ही क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते. It's better आप उनसे ही पूछो जो आपका इंटरव्यू हैंडल कर रहे हैं. The next one would be like, in case you still do not have any idea about like a reasonable salary for the job role, you can simply answer to accept like the package as per industry. That is the safest answer. Why the safest answer? Because this leaves much scope for the negotiation at the time of final offer. Okay, so many a times, but yes, this answer can be better if you have done a better market research, and so, and if you have if you know that yes, this is what they are offering, and be confident while saying it. If you're kind of confused, okay, kitna bolu and all that, don't be that. Either say as per company standard, I'm pretty much okay, or if you have done some market research, give that answer, but be confident, do not be vague. And the last one, which usually I ask, or which I've seen many other HR people they ask, is like at the end of the entire HR interview session, that do you have any question for us? That we ask for from the candidate, that do you have any question for us? This is also a very important question, because we have kind of analyzed the employee from each and every perspective, but we want to know from employee perspective that what he thinks about, or how much willing he is to join the job and all that. So usually people are like, I won't say that have a good list of 6-7 question लेके रखो and ask one by one. No, it's not like that. We just want to check from that particular question that uh, like ask some intelligent questions that shows that how curious you are to know more about the company, its policies, its people, or like any, or you can simply ask that, so like I believe that I have these skill sets, but I'm not sure that can you help me out or can you just guide me something that what other skill set if I get the role, what other skill set I would be like polish myself with. Okay. So I mean ask more and more questions that connects you more to the job role and the company. So the better answer, the better are the chances that you guys will get connect with it. Okay, and avoid asking irrelevant questions. Many people like people do ask about like I have found people asking about so what's the break time, how much is the break timing, how much the lunch hours, do company organize parties and all that. Also to become more friendly in the interview. Yes, there's one more question. People say people ask this that should we be I mean kind of friendly in the interview or should we be like very focused and to the point and all that. So it depends on that who who is there on the other side. Okay, you know about yourself but you do not know about the person sitting in front of you. All the HRs are not, I think even आप कोई भी दो एचआर ले लोगे तो भी उनमें सिमिलैरिटी नहीं मिलेगी दो दे आर बोथ इन द सेम प्रोफेशन. So it's because everybody has a different energy for fun, for friendliness and all that. So you will find people those who are good with that or not. So always start your interview with a confident and not so much of friendly. And once the interview is gone, you will get to know with the kind of questions he asks and how he asks or she asks. उसके basis पे आपको पता चल जाएगा that whether you have to give some, you have to some add some fun liner or not that. Many times people try to be witty during the interview. They think that okay ये शायद उनको उससे value add करेगा. But your wittiness and humor वो भी तब तक काम नहीं आएगा अगर वो interviewer के question को answer नहीं कर रहा है. But yes, एकदम rigid और एकदम to the point कि हमने आपसे पूछा okay, do you want this? The answer is yes. Why you want this? Try to add more. So that is more of about like the input from my end about the questions which usually HR people ask. And I think there's not much to guide over this. Why is because you guys are already doing MBA, and I like considering myself into your position when I was there, I was kind of reading a lot of books, a lot of books, or preferably I was there into YouTube most of the time. So I used to watch a lot of videos, how to go for interviews, what to ask, not to ask. So I'm 100% sure that what all I have said, I think many of you are already aware about it. Okay, but I mean, there's always a question कि क्या हमने जो पढ़ा है क्या ये सही है? So yes, on that note, being an 8-year experienced working person, I can say yes, that whatever I have told you, these things really work. Okay, and by end of like what you can say, the guidance which I have given, I can simply say that do not worry about. Okay, एक इंटरव्यू होता है, it's not like that's a lost interview. Do not suppose by any chance अगर वो नहीं होता है, do not get upset with things कि वो नहीं हुआ and all that. Have that continuous practice of getting better answers. Your continuous practice will take you to the altogether another level. And the best thing which I've learned from life is when you expect nothing, you are kind of get everything. And when you expect a lot of things, there are hardly chances that you'll get something. This happens with me. So I'm sharing my experience. But yes, I many times I get the things because of my preparations which I have done in the past. So that is why I try to keep on preparing for everything. Even being after 8 years of experience, I still try to give better answer for tell me about yourself. So I'm not preparing for any interview, but yes, I still believe that when we talk about each other, I kind of give a better perspective of myself, better knowledge which I can share with everybody. So continuous preparation is altogether another thing. So here I'm done with, what all I can share with you all. I would wish if, like people, you guys can ask me some questions over which, because I usually do all, since Corona, like we have started work from home and it has become,
Yeah,
okay.
definitely, Avinash. Before I give vote of thanks, I request students to ask question to Avinash. So whatever the doubts you have or the clarity you wanted, I mean, he would able to share his experience with you. So please unmute yourself. Yeah, please share your name and your specialization. Then you can ask the question to Avinash. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am Tanuja, can I go ahead?
Yes.
Hello, Avinash sir. Thank you so much for giving such a good session about preparing the job interview. I would like to ask whether we go for the interview, sometimes they ask why HR. So sometimes we used to give answers like we would like to communicate with we are kind of experts. So this is not a good type of answer. We expect something else
Uh,
from
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not able to hear properly. Fatima, can you repeat the question, what she's asking?
Even I didn't get it. Tanuja, can you please
yeah.
repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am. So whenever we go for the interview, usually interviewer asks us why you have chosen HR as a specialization.
Avinash, I think she want
Okay,
to
why
ask
you
you
have chosen
when.
HR as a special?
Yes.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
used to ask why HR.
So how to handle that question?
Okay, it's okay. So what I understood is like that why you chose HR as a specialization or you why you choose this career, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, yes. It's very good question. I face this question. I must say I faced this question many times in my interview during the start of my career. So my answer would be my answer would be uh, see, the first of all, you yourself should be confident and have this answer that why you want to. It should not be framed a question. Okay. Suppose I can see many students here, Lakshmi Kant, Tanuja, okay, Jaiprakash, Mansi. So everybody has a it should be actually ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए that everybody has same answer. Everybody should have different answers because you guys have different skill sets. Why you guys have chosen it is also. So my answer, like the answer which I gave is very simple. I kind of given them the background that I was not so sure that I have given them this what you can say sense of idea that during my graduation I was not sure that what I will do because I was not good with the technical things like good with maths and all that. But yes, since the beginning I found myself that I'm good with where some communication needs to be done, where some what you can say some management thing is there. Okay, suppose managing an activity or how to present something, like to become face of something, that is where I find myself more comfortable. अगर मुझे कोई ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ लेगा टेक्निकल रिलेटेड आई फाइंड माई सेल्फ अ लिटिल बिट स्ट्रेस but when somebody will ask me, okay, Avinash, how can we do this activity, how can we like a simple thing, how can we release a video where somebody is motivating somebody, so I believe myself that I can do that thing better and I can input myself. So always give the answer that a job is like any candidate should choose a career where he can give his 100%, not 50, 60, 40, gives 100%. So I believe that my energy and my skill sets goes more towards or are in sync towards the people management. Okay, HR is mostly about people management and to look about the environment and to make the environment more so that people can work better. So I believe that I can do justice to this role because I believe that I'm good with like communication. I'm good with I mean the management thing. Okay, where you guys are supposed to like suppose if you're going for HR executive. Okay, if you're going like the very first role, if you're going for the HR executive role for HR, loyalty, honesty, these are the things important, but confidentiality is very, very important. So you guys should also know that what are the skill set, what are the necessary characteristics required for that particular behavior. So the moment you say that, I mean, what you can say, you're good with the people management, but at the same time you are more of good with confidentiality thing as well. That you know that what's your boundary is. Like for sales and marketing, you can go, yes, you are very good with the communication, that you have a good sales skill. Like when I was there into my college, I have seen that I've done some good events where I've kind of the anchor of this event, and it was absolutely good and all that. So depends on your skills and your skill sets and the job profile skill set. Match it up, and then you can give the better answer. Tanuja, I believe I'm answered, right?
Yes. Anyone has any other question? Students, anyone has got any other question? Avinash, by the time other students they are coming up with a question, I want to address the students like you being at the SB Patil Institute of Management. When companies were turning up. So how you take the decision whether I should be in the company, I should take whatever companies that are coming to the institute, or should I join the any organization which is to the choice? How to handle because this is the most
Okay.
difficult situation the students they do face. So what they should
Yeah,
do? They should search outside or whatever comes in the organization. They should firstly take that.
yeah, I got your question. So it's more of a like when you have many options, which to choose one, right? It's more of a like that. So it is indeed very difficult to choose one because there are two things. कि like ट्रेन जा रही है, किस डब्बे में चढ़े, कई डब्बा पूरे ट्रेन ना निकल जाए. So it's more of there are two things कि पूरी ट्रेन भी नहीं जानी चाहिए और आपको बेस्ट डब्बा चूज करना है. So we can relate it to more of like that. So like I told you, have a preparation that what all organizations are coming in. ठीक है, आप पूरी ट्रेन के बारे में जानकारी लो. Get to know about that all the which all organizations are coming into like into the college. Okay. Second is, if you have any connection with any of the organization, जैसे आपका कोई रिलेटिव या फ्रेंड है, कोई भी है, हैव अ बैकग्राउंड कि वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय लाइफ साइकिल कैसी है. ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय लाइफ साइकिल कैसी है, आई मीन हायर एंड फायर तो नहीं चलता है, एंड स्कोप ऑफ ग्रोथ कितना है for a fresher. What is the scope of growth? It should not be like, because what I have seen is I've started my career from a very from a consultancy, being a recruiter. So it's more of a like that why I chose that. Okay. Oh, I won't say that I was getting big companies. ठीक है, मुझे opportunities आ रही थी. I won't say that, but I was very sure about this because you always start with one step. Okay, so do not have a perception कि आपको पहली बार में पूरा job role मिल जाएगा HR का पूरा gamut, which I expected कि मुझे पहले ही बार में पूरा HR profile चाहिए, which is very difficult until you are lucky. Sometimes it happens. And second is, I mean, if you kind of crack the interviews, वो usually कैसा होता है, those who have um, given it like जो already MBA करने से पहले experienced होते हैं ना, तो उनको वो chances ज़्यादा रहते हैं. So if you're fresher, you always start your job with one aspect of HR role. Be it as interview, be it as with HR operations, or if you're good with learning and development, you can go with that as well. So, okay, so to give the answer, like I told you, have a proper knowledge about the organizations that which all are coming in. Okay. Um, if there is a scope that you can give interview in all the organizations, please go ahead, because as much as you prepare for the interview, like give interviews, you guys are getting polished. So it's always good that to give the interviews, and I believe this is the scope which is available for everybody to give the interviews. Suppose if you're getting 2-3 offers, okay, so what you have to do is, what is the job role you're getting? Always ask the interviewer that what I am supposed to do from the very first, from like for the next 6 months. Like if it is more about that you have to assist somebody, then who to assist? Is it a manager? Is it some other trainee or something? Is it a batch? So when your role is more of an individual and more learning oriented, choose that job. Always choose the job where for at least 1 to 2 years you get more to learn, more of individual जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा contribution दे सकते हो. Like when I joined Novartis, I was reporting to national manager, oncology department. Okay, so she has nobody else other than me to report to. So why I choose that job is because उसमें HR operations बहुत भर भर के सीखने को मिला. Plus at the same time, because she is the only one, तो उनको HR उनको जो भी काम होगा वो मेरे थ्रू ही करवाने वाले हैं. So I know even if it is an interview schedule है, even if it is some engagement activity है, कोई teaser release करना है, कोई poster release करना है, कोई communication करना है, I'm sure that she is going to busy, वो मेरे through जाएगा. So for first 2 years, I was so busy, I was so exhausted, and many times I heard from my manager saying that Avinash, you really need improvement in this one as well. But now today when I'm a team coach, HR VP, human resource business partner in my organization, so I do have a team, and when I see their work, I get to know, okay, like they are at the same stage where I used to be. So I kind of guide them, okay, guys, इसमें थोड़ा improvement यहाँ पे चाहिए. So always choose an organization which is providing you a job role with more of learning. सिर्फ task based ऐसा नहीं कि आपको ये एक list मिल जाएगा और आपको ये करना है. So ask more and more questions. So जो last question आता है, do you have any question for us? वहाँ पे question पूछो. That ma'am, can you tell me that what is there for my myself, like what is there for me to learn more about?
What did you
So
say?
that is it.
Yeah,
Okay,
Avinash?
I said,
Hmm.
yeah. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. Yes. So what I said is at the end that always go or like for the company which is providing you the better job role where there's more
Right.
scope for learning. The
Yes.
better chances for learning, the better you grow. Otherwise क्या होगा, आप 3 साल तक वो बैक एंड टास्क करते रह जाओगे, लर्निंग होगा नहीं, and because there is no learning, you cannot grow in your
True.
career. And there's one more thing which I have learned. Anybody's career, first 3 years are going to be struggle. Have this in your mindset. First 3 years are going to be struggle. Struggle, why struggle? Because you have to put a lot of efforts. और आप बहुत एफर्ट्स लगाओगे, इसका आपको आउटपुट मिल नहीं रहा होगा. इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक आपने
Right.
सीड लगाया है, सीड काफी देर बाद प्लांट बनेगा. सो फर्स्ट 3 इयर्स आप एफर्ट लगाते जाओ, डोंट आस्क फॉर एनी फेवर और समथिंग.
Avinash, I have got a question from Jay Prakash. He is a second year student. Sir has asked, you mentioned that tell something about yourself requires a good preparation by a candidate. So as a HR interviewer, do you expect any specific template or flow in reply when someone talks about? So, I mean, do you look for any specific template or sequence in which, interview should
Never.
answer? Yes.
Never. See, at least for what my experience is, like I have always, like I've just said before, that interview is never planned. At least HRs never planned the interview. I have never planned the interview in last 5 years. My next question always depends on the mindset which I see the person is replying. If I see the mindset is good, my question उनका जो what you can say, the question का जो set होता है वो different हो जाता है. When I see that mindset थोड़ा dull है, energy थोड़ा low है, my question set becomes different. Why is it so? Because for job role जो mindset और willingness का requirement है, इसके लिए if somebody is very high energy and all that, if I give a template, people will go with that only, with that flow, and they will treat it as a formula where there is no formula to crack the interview. And because if you go with a formula, अगर बीच में कुछ साइड टर्न आया और some other question या कुछ और आया, people will get confused. So a person should not be fixed with one formula, one template. Okay, that this is the only way how I have to prepare for the interview. It's an open ground question, kind of like interview is kind of open ground. You can't have just one way to go from this end to that end. You can go. It depends on that how you have answered. Basis that only. I mean, you can go to the another end. So for HR interview, there's no particular template to
Avinash,
prepare.
so any specific points that need to be covered when someone is asked, tell me something about yourself. So any these 5 points students should speak
Okay.
about or address it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I kind of ask this question, my expectation is that suppose if I answer, what my first is, I introduce myself with my name, where I usually belong to, and I've done my education. These three things, because I do not want it to like lengthy. I belong from there. My father do no. These three simple things, because organization को अभी मेरे father parents से कोई relation नहीं है. So I will introduce myself. My name is this. I've completed my education from this. If I'm post like graduation है तो पहले graduation post graduation दोनों बताना है when I've completed it. And the next one the next one would be why I have applied for this job. Okay, simply let's start with that. Usually people say कि इस पे ये इतना ज़्यादा क्यों बता रहे हैं. Suppose if somebody has a requirement क्योंकि घर पे वो अकेले earner है, bread earner मतलब बनने वाले हैं, like parents are not doing anything, so they can start their introduction with a responsibility. So I'm the only person in my family and I do have a responsibility for this. So here I am giving for the interviews, and I have and in like if it is more, if somebody is fresher, तो वो अपना experience थोड़ा बता सकते हैं that what all achievement they have done. When I was in SBPIM, I have participated on all these I mean events, and I won these many. I mean I won some trophy or something. They can show more about that. And from the very first question, they can say that yes, this is needed and that is.
Just a moment. Avinash, I think there is an issue on your part, network issue. So if you can turn off your video, so we'll have a more clarity when it comes to our voice.
Okay, I'm really sorry. Can you hear me now properly?
Avinash, you can go ahead.
Okay, so I would kind of uh, finalize this answer as first 2-3 sentences should be regarding you. That my name is this. I belong from UP Lucknow, and then next would be I've completed my graduation from Raebareli. I've completed my MBA from SB Patil Institute of Management, which is there in Pune. And the next would be when I was there in SBPM Pune, suppose I'm getting interviewed for HR profile. So I could say that, yes, I have participated into these inter-college events where I won this and that. And the best learning which I've got from SBPIM is this. So this should be related to the job profile for which you are getting interviewed. तो उनको जो रिक्वायरमेंट होगा आपको वही 3 रिक्वायरमेंट अपने भी बताने हैं. सो फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू कैन गेट सिंक विथ द जॉब रोल. आपको अपने जॉब रोल से सिंक उनको यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ शो दैट यस यू आर रिलेटेड टू दैट जॉब. So आप जैसे वो this like I'm good with so I got a good experience, a good people management exposure when I was there. I got to know more of like event management thing and all that, which is kind of requirement for this one. So you have to kind of give your answer like this. This is particularly for freshers. So for experience, they can support their previous experience, but for freshers, they can go ahead like this. And if your answer is good, HR will definitely ask you the next question after this. You won't have to ask much.
Thank you, Avinash. We have got another question from Vishal. He has question,
Yeah.
how to answer the expected salary question. Being a fresher, they might not be aware about what is, is being paid to the, or how much they are, they are supposed to get it. So how to address that question?
Okay. I have already kind of said few things about it, but but yet, because again, this is there. Guys, please do not worry about being a fresher. Please, please, please do not worry about that how much remuneration you're getting. Always focus for first 3 years. This is my experience. It was not like कि मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए थे. I wanted to earn the maximum at least in my batch. मैं हमेशा से चाहता था कि मेरी सैलरी सबसे ज्यादा. But after 8 years, this is my belief that for first 3 years, try to focus more into your job profile. But फिर भी अगर ये question आता है that what is your expectation, give a simple answer that Sam, I'm okay with the current company standard or current market standard or as per the company norms. Give a simple question, simple answer at least on that note. फिर जब offer letter आएगा तब at least you have some time for something for negotiation. But आप पहले से ज़्यादा bargaining type mode पे रहोगे ना, so difficult रहेगा. So always run more towards the job profile and then फिर 3-4 साल हो जाएंगे then फिर तब तक market standards समझ में आ जाता है, then you can give a better answer. So for freshers, always give a better answer like, so I'm okay with the market standard.
Thanks, Avinash. Is there anyone who has got a question, or shall we move ahead?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Avinash sir, can I ask you a question? Employer point of view.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I'm being a HR professional from last month, and I'm usually taking some of the interview, conducting some interviews, in which I am facing some problem regarding judging the job commitment of the candidate. So how can we do that?
Okay, job commitment. So
Yeah.
yeah, so this is more about in sync with the mindset which I was asking. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, for freshers, okay, for freshers, is it is kind of difficult. I can tell you. Okay, if we are hiring people, like we usually hire people in our organization in batches also. So it
Okay.
kind of becomes very difficult to analyze that. Okay, so first of all, do not worry if you are not able to understand it uh, because those who do not have work experience, they do have altogether different energy set. Okay,
Hmm.
so how we can, our basic intention should be whether they are disciplined, whether they can, like their stability, check their stability, that if they have come up with some hobbies, okay, उनके hobbies पूछो, like अगर उनको gardening अच्छा लगता है, so do they regularly do the gardening? Okay,
Okay.
why I'm saying so is because if your habit or if your common day-to-day work is not लाइक अलाइंड नहीं है, अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है आपका काम, सपोज इफ आई लाइक गार्डनिंग एंड आई डू इट एवरी संडे, इट शोज दैट आई एम अ डिसिप्लिन्ड पर्सन एंड आई कैन डेडिकेट माई सेल्फ टू सम वर्क जो मुझे दिया जाएगा एंड आई कैन पुट जस्टिस टू इट. तो आपको आपके क्वेश्चंस ना उस फ्रेम में रखने चाहिए जो उनके करंट लाइफस्टाइल से रिलेटेड होते हैं. देखो, ऑफिस का काम और घर का काम, ओके, या फिर आपके जो डे टू डे हाउस वो सब होते हैं, लाइक यू कैन सिंपली डू यू like get into your household work, who all are there in your family, so how do you take care of them, how do you take care of them and all that, so you can get to know their intention. Are they loyal, are they dedicated? Because what we want from employee, they should be loyal, they should be dedicated, they should be stable mindset, they should be, वो हम कुछ बोले तो एटलीस्ट सुने, राइट? जॉब पे आ रहे नहीं आ रहे ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 2 दिन आए फिर उसके बाद नहीं. डू यू गाइस हैव एनी अदर प्लान? आपको घूमना फिरना कितना अच्छा है? हाउ हाउ ऑफन यू लाइक टू गो आउट? तो अगर अगर आप मार्केटिंग के लिए इंटरव्यू कर रहे हो एंड यू आर अगेन एंड अगेन सेइंग हाँ मुझे हर वीक बाहर जाना अच्छा लगता है, सो दैट्स बिकम अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग. So that is also. So you can analyze these things with a simple questions which they are like considering their lifestyle, their life set. वहां
From
से आप
there,
जज कर सकते हो.
from everyday schedule, the behavior aspects, we can judge them, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Thank you.
And Tanuja, yeah, and in case you kind of want some other questions and all, how to, I can help you out later on with. You can share me your mail ID and give the question. I can help you out with that.
Yeah, I know many of the students, they have come up with a lot of questions, but due to the time constraint, today we are not able to address all the questions. And surely we will have a lot many sessions from Avinash where we are going to handle your questions, and he will tackle all your, the problems you are facing. So before we wind up the session, I love to thank Mr. Avinash Mishra. And today I am feeling very proud that one of our student, he is sitting on the other side. And you all are fortunate that you are getting a lot of information. He started the things from the basic questions, how HR, questions are there and how to handle it. And my, current best students, you digged up a lot of questions and you take it out into very deep, how to address everything related to HR. And I love to mention Avinash was really a dedicated student during the curriculum when he was there at the SB Patil, and I see his dedication during this 2 years of program, and maybe throughout the year he had it. So that lead him today is such a top level position. So he was very confident. He was very bright during the MBA program. He used to participate in a lot of activities, and he was very close to the faculty. Reason being it that his dedication and confidence he has shown during the MBA program. And I wish my current year students should learn these things from your alumni. That's the reason we love to call alumni and make you in front of them, so you will understand they were like you today and how they have reached such a positions. Thank you, Avinash. Your session really I enjoyed, and my students really got to know a lot of things from the HR's point of view. And Avinash is also ready to take some of the workshop where he is going to assess you, like what questions you have framed, how where you have gone wrong. So we are going to schedule that workshop very soon. Avinash, thank you for the time and for being so prompt to answer my questions to the students also. So thank you, Avinash, and we would love to hear from you in upcoming days also. Thank you, dear.
Thank you so much. I mean, it was not like that that I'm doing something else, that I'm kind of helping somebody else. I kind of treat myself as a family of SBPIM. Okay, SBPIM is a family. I'm a member of it, and I would do like if it is a family, I can help somebody. Okay, आपको ये करना है, then I mean, see, I do not find it difficult. I do not find it that okay, मुझे करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. Of course, I should do it. Not for the students. I do not treat you guys as a student. It's like more of like a brother and sister. So you guys can do far better in your career. And like I am helping you guys in future. You guys help all other like new students there in the college, and make college so proud, make it one of the best college, at least. I'm not saying at like so soon in India, but yes, at least in Pune and then in Maharashtra, so that people would love to go. And so in future we can say, okay, I'm from that college. So that's my agenda.
Thank you, Avinash. Really, we feel very bonded with our alumni. Thanks for always accepting our invitation to guide our students. And we make a plan now. We will work on how we are going to take the workshop for the students. And definitely, we will have a lot of activities from HR perspective. So thank you, Avinash, once again. Now we'll be ending up the meeting. Thank you, dear.
Sure.
Thank you, all the
Thank you, ma'am.
students, for attending the session.
Take care, guys.
Bye,
Bye
bye,
bye,
bye.
guys. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you.